Hello, Dr. Montgomery. This is the recording for the midterm project. First, I'm going to go ahead and start the program and showcase how it works. So right here, first we have the form, it loads up, and we have the focus initially set up to the input section right here, and I also have the focus set up to the inches to meters button as requested. So first I'm going to go ahead and test the program with some entries as requested. So I'm going to go ahead and try with a characters entry. So when we do that, we do get this entry is not valid error message. Um, we get the same thing if we try to do meters to inches right here. Entry is not valid. And if we try like a negative number entry, the same thing is going to happen. Sorry, the same thing is going to happen right here. You can also try for the inches to meters, try to convert. The same thing is going to happen. If we try with a valid entry, so this is what's going to happen. It's going to be, they're going to be, I have here a label result that shows the result. You can also try the meters to inches, shows me here the result. You can try this input entry. You have 10 inches is 0.254 meters. You can also try the other way around. 10 meters is 393.701 inches. I do also here have the clear button. When the user clicks it, it just clears the label result button. It also sets the input section to completely empty with the focus back on it, and then also takes the focus back to the inches to meters radio button. We can try it one more time. Click on clear, and it takes it back. And then I have here the exit button that if the user clicks it, it just exits out of the program. So right here for the code, I first have the phone loads up. Right here I just have the radio meter 2 inches button. And in this function right here, it's the one, it's the clear, the clear button function. When clicked, I just have it set the radio button that's inches to meters. I just have it set to true, and then the label result that shows the results right here, I just have it set to an empty string. And then this is also the function where I have the focus set up to the input box. I just have it named as text box 1. This is this one right here, and I have the focus set down to it. And then I have here the function for the exit button. It just says the me.close. It just closes the program. So right here, this is the function that checks if the entry is valid or not. First, I'm checking here to see if the entry is less than 0. If it is less than 0, it just throws this error message right here. If the entry is anything other than a valid positive number, then this message is going to be thrown to the user right here, unless they enter a positive valid number. And then right here I just have the radio button for inches to meters, and this function right here, this is the one that does the conversion calculations. So first right here I have the if the radio button for inches to meters is clicked and an input value was entered, then this is what's going to happen. I have here a variable for the output value. That's where I put in the input value and then multiply it by 0.0254 for the inches to meters. I also have that value, that result, that's going to be stored in the output value. I have it rounded up to 3 decimal points. And then I have the output message that's just going to take that resulting value and put it here in a string. And I have it put the toString method where it just says the inches is, takes that output value and then turns it into a string. The same thing right here applies for the meters to inches button. I just have here the output value. It takes in the input value that the user puts in, divides it by 0.0254, and then I have that rounded up to 3 decimal points, and then I have that thrown in a string and then shows to the user as a string. So that's it. Thank you so much.